Taking this old 1979 Pontiac Trans Am cross country, and I happened to end up in Bowling Green at Holley Performance, and today they are having their own employee car show right here in the parking lot. But before we get into their cars, which got to be absolutely awesome, I mean, you work for Holley, you got to have some dope cars. We're gonna take a little tour inside with my boy Alex from Holley Performance, man. Called him up, asked him if he could help get my tune straightened out because I got a major tune problem going on in this car. So you're gonna get me fixed up with that. But before we do, should we go inside?
Yeah, we'll check it out.
Let's check it out. Oh, yeah. All right. Now we're talking. Whew.
So here you can see this is our R&D facility for Holley, and this is our American Performance Division. Brands like Holley, Holley EFI, MSD, Race Pack, you know, all the muscle car and race car brands that you know and love. So here we have, you know, some test engines. So if we ever make any calibration changes or we want to test out new products before we put them in a vehicle, we can put them on the stands here. We teased these valve covers back at the PRI show last year, and people loved them. So just thinking of new ideas, how we can take, you know, older platforms, you know, and continue to make them better and continue to evolve. And that's what Holley's all about. It's just the continued evolution as well. Essentially the process for, you know, new product manufacturing when it comes to the manifolds we do. These are cast iron. But we have 3D printers here, and you can actually see a prototype 3D printer valve cover here as well. So it's actually a coil cover. But we'll rapid prototype and 3D print, test fit everything, and then once we're ready to go to production, so these are cast iron, and then the ones on that LS over there, those are cast stainless. So we'll do a couple different materials, different finishes, just so you know you get whatever fits your build the best.
And they all start out as 3D printed fitment?
Yeah, in most cases we'll 3D print to get the fitment correct before we start getting production samples.
Way cool. Just keep a fleet of vehicles, you know, in case you want to test something, develop something.
This is the hands down most comfortable and best riding C10 I've ever driven.
Really?
It's amazing. It's a Crate LS3 4L60 transmission, so it's very basic, not a ton of power, but just ultra reliable, you know, comfortable suspension, good brakes. I mean, this is something you could get in and drive every single day if you wanted to.
It's gorgeous is what it is. I love the color scheme on it. Oh, yeah.
And this one's still a factory ECU truck, but we have, you know, different tuning brands. So Diablo Sport, Super Chips, Edge, Range. So we can still tune factory computers. So we, you know, plug up like OBD2 port, like it's, you know, like this essentially came in a 2010 Camaro.
Yeah.
And calibrate it from there.
Wow.
So yeah, this is a T56 truck. The other square over there is pretty much the same package as this LS3 4L60, but just something to, you know, row gears in. Again, just a Crate LS3, nothing wild. Has MSD ignition pack on it.
Bare brakes.
You gotta have those bare brakes. Yeah, it's got the 6P in the front and the SS4 in the rear. Hugger orange to match the truck.
That's cool. And now we're working on the tuning. You said that it was set up, instead of a 427, it was set up to what?
It was set to 6 liters, so still a 364 cubic inches.
Oh man, that would create a little bit of a problem, huh?
Yeah, we're gonna check the injector type right now because injector data is one of the next big keys to making sure something runs correctly.
Okay, he's got me all tuned up in my car there. It's running quite a bit better from a fueling and air perspective, but I've got some exhaust leaks that are an issue. I've got drivetrain things that are an issue. I cannot continue pushing forward on this tour until I get those things figured out. So they set me up at the local shop. We're gonna head over there, but before we do, what do we got here? Oh yeah, the old Regal Turbo. That's a badass car. Oh man, that and the Grand National. All right. Super cool. Hey, we've got Harley Davidsons in the show. Old Chevelle, another Mustang, Subaru, a Mazda, that big boy over there. It's a lot of fun, man. I enjoy this car stuff. It's all new for me. I'm mainly a motorcycle guy, so all this stuff is, you know, completely new for me. But all right, we got to head over and see if we can get my car fixed so I can make its Pigeon Forge.